How to see your points on Scout. Are you guys facing issue to check your points on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To check your points, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the Scout app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you will be able to view this option for My Likes option. Tap on My Likes. Now look for the points or reward section. Here you will see your current point balance and any recent activities that you're on your points. So you can see this option for points. Tap on points. After you click on points, you can see your points balance. However, I have 0 points right now. If you do have points, it will pop up on the section. Some versions of the app also show how many points are needed for gifts, boosts, or other rewards. And that's it, guys. That's how you can see your points on Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.